Front speaker adapter. Made specifically for 6x9 speakers. Made from high-grade materials for a long-lasting secure fit. Factory-style finishes. Color: black. Top reviews from the United States. Fits 2022 WRX. Used adapters for 6x9 front door speakers. Required very minor trimming only on front driver's side. Front passenger side went on without issue. Used the adapters to install 6x9 infinity kappas in place of the 6.5 factory speakers. For 22 model Tacomas. People should keep their expectations in check when it comes to custom car audio. These adapters will fit most applications no problem. Some speakers and some vehicle applications will need some tweaking. The 22 Rundra is one of those vehicles. The adapters fit 3 out of the 4 mounting holes for the door. No biggie, just drill a 5/16 hole in the adapter frame for the 4th hole. The speaker mount for the JBL 6x9, again, fit 3 out of 4. I just had to use a 6mm 3/4 inch self-tapping screw. Easy peasy. Outside of that, the little cutout for the speaker wire is on the opposite side, so a new one will need to be cut out on the correct side. If you are upgrading the 22 Tundra door speakers, you will need to insulate pretty much your entire front doors or they will rattle like crazy.